Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of a craft project since we are quarantined in our house. We've been having a pesky squirrel eat our bird food, so we decided we'll electrify our bird feeder. As you can tell in the camera when you look at this, I have it all laid out. It's actually complete. After this you'll see how I did it. It's going to be time-lapse on how I did it. But basically I just took an extension cord, took it apart, used a hot glue gun, and glued the wires to the roof. I have a hot, neutral, same on the other side. It's all put together here. It's all used hot glue. That's why it's all, if you look at there, the hot glue, it's standing off the wire off the top of the roof itself. So that was our today's project. Very simple, very easy. Like I say, it's in time lapse, so if it's kind of hard to see, let me know in the comments and I'll tell you how I did it. But basically, this is what you see is what I did here. I don't know if Austin can get the camera and kind of show everybody what we did. But you can see how I have it, the hot glue. It stood off the top of the roof. I have everything connected right here. It's kind of crude, but it works. And you'll see later in the video that we did shock the crap out of a squirrel. Used a hot glue one here, extension cord. Same on the other side. I'll flip it around. You can see the other side. Oops. Same on the other side. Simple, easy. Alright, so that's our today's project, or our quarantine shock the crap out of a squirrel project. So sit back and watch the time lapse of us putting this together. Hopefully it doesn't go too fast. Maybe we can try to slow it down. But enjoy the video.
Yeah, I'm thinking what you're thinking. I feel the need for speed.
Alright, Squirrel is back. We're not sure where he went, but he's in the area. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for him to get on the feeder. Then we're going to plug it in and shock him. So, when he gets close to the feeder, I'll turn the camera back on. And we'll watch us shock him by plugging it in when he's on the feeder. Get on the roof, guy. Gotta get on the roof.
I don't think he can touch it.
Yeah, he can touch it. He's not sure what's going on.
Maybe once he sees the flowers.
Come on, get on the roof.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. Get on the roof. Come on, get on the roof. You gotta climb on the roof. Okay. Plug it in. Got him! There we go, folks. That's how you shock a squirrel off your squirrel feeder. Ah. Got you that time. You ain't coming back after that one. Well, I hope you guys seen that and enjoyed it, because that was funny for me. We'll see if we can come back again. Well, everybody, I hope you liked my video on my shocking or squirrel-proof bird feeder. We only got him the one time. We actually got him pretty good the first time, and now he's really apprehensive to jump on top of the roof again. But we're just going to keep it plugged in. I got the video I wanted to get. I got him, shocking the hell out of him. So, if you like our videos, please subscribe, hit the like button, and definitely ring the bell. That way, if I have any more videos coming out in the future here, hopefully the birds want to eat their food and I'm at their feeder. So definitely like, subscribe, hit that bell, and you'll see some more videos come out of Here's Hope and Garage. We're going to do some mini bikes, some more mini bike upgrades coming up this week, but shipping's been slow because of all this crap that's going on in the world. So, well, everybody, that was fun. So I'll catch you guys later.